Yes, massive. It's me again, Jamaican truck driver. I'm currently in Denver, Colorado. The time is now 10:43 Canadian or Toronto time. 8:43 Denver, Colorado time. You see right now, snow did fall last night. They must have gotten, I think it's 10 centimeters worth of snow. Them people you don't know how to clean the snow. You see they have signs, road icy, slower speeds advised. Where is the snow plow? I don't agree with this at all. Me have to crawl. Right now I'm only doing 57 kilometers in this yucky weather. Can't do no better because I might slide. Nothing but ice on the road. And I'm keeping one heck of a distance from the people in front of me. Yeah, man. Just a go on warm and easy. I have too much furniture on the truck right now. Anyways, just a fill you in and let you know what I go on. Till next time, Jamaican truck driver in the Chronicles.